Hey guys, so today I am oiling the safest plant derivative. That's what I heard, that's what the internet told me, so that's what we're using. Put a little bit on here, and then back and forth. Nice and oily.
Smell that tung oil. Hey Chronicle crew, I'm in here. We are trying to put up the panels and finish up the extra insulation with the Havelock wool. The panels mostly line up, but it's probably user error because these panels are not idiot proof, as I'm an idiot. Put Havelock wool under the headliner area, and I'm slowly putting it and supplementing the Thinsulate. And so then I'll start putting up the panels, but because the holes that were sort of suggested, and I guess I blindly trusted without verifying, that the holes would line up. Thankfully, I have these transfer punch screws that I can use to kind of fix the problem. And I guess some wood filler will help cover up my mistakes, hopefully. Might have to use some washers to expand the area. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. As you can see, the little fibers keep coming off, but it's wool, so I mean, obviously, you probably don't want to bleed with it too much. Anyway, I'm just rough cutting what I think I need. I mean, I don't know the exact dimensions internally, but this feels wide enough, and also, you know, it needs to expand and all that.
So you're doing that in all of the holes?
In the ribs and stuff. The idea is to try and, you know, stop the transfer of heat, because it's not that things get cold by adding cold. Basically, cold is taking away heat or adding heat. What we're trying to do is stop the transfer of that as much as possible to maintain a consistent, efficient, comfortable environment. I learned that from my earth science class in 9th grade. But what's a little blood between friends? You know, they say the saying, blood, sweat, and tears. I'm hoping it's more blood and less tears.
I'm hoping it's more tears than blood.
No, this one couple, I don't know, is it Mike and Mandy? Shoot, I'm really bad at remembering stuff like this. They suggested testing all the Rivnuts before committing, see them spin out. You know how much we love to spin out. Now that I've put the extra Havelock insulation in, and I've drilled holes along the lines of, what was recommended by the Highland Band's CNC cut, I'm trying to now see if I can make sure everything lines up.
What are those things called?
Those are just machine nuts. So I put in Rivnuts in here so that I can use the factory holes and then just screw in. Thing is, I probably should have made the holes bigger.
So these came with the holes in it?
It didn't come with holes in it, it just came with little markers for where to drill the holes.
Oh yeah, the markings for the holes, and now you have to drill out the holes.
Well, the thing is I didn't have an M6 bit, and 1/4 inch is close to M6, but it's not exactly M6. And so I just sort of put them in there, hoping it would work, and now I'm just sort of making the holes bigger. It's interesting, there's a hole here that they suggested, but there's nothing behind it, which made me wonder if I got the right one.
Oh yeah.
All right, so maybe that's the key for the most part, is I just need to kind of widen the holes. What do you think, Dave?
I love it.
Thank you for supporting me in
Wifey of the year. Thank you for doing majority of these tasks.
Thank you for going out there and trying to keep us financially afloat. Every bit helps.
I'm putting in these Rivnuts. Open this up, whatever this device is, and then you have to
With a Rivnut tool.
Rivnut tool, and then you take the Rivnut and you spin. Spin, 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 until it gets to the end. Put it in the hole that it fits, and then press. Then you have to twist, 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 twist the opposite way to get it out. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
That's it.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.